Welcome to the galley of SV Xanadu. In this video, I'm going to show you what we use on the boat here. This is an awesome cook set pan that doubles on an induction oven or the butane stove. And then we're going to talk about our upcoming event, our open house, and how to get involved if you're local. We do an open house every spring on the boat for channel members who are registered through our website, sailingintonirvana.com. Let me show you this pan setup that we have here. This is new. This is new for 2026. If you like to go camping or have a boat, you're going to love this. This is a dual griddle pan. It's dual because I can use it on the induction stovetop because it has a magnetic inductive base. It's coated, and I can use it on my camping grill like this one here. This is a butane grill. I can use it like that on the boat, and that's what we're going to do. In a little bit, we're going to put the food out on the table on this griddle and cook it right there on the table. And we're going to talk about our open house. Go live on Facebook. We have a Facebook page as well. You can look us up on Facebook and become a member there. You'll never miss a video, and you'll get more content than we put on YouTube. Love to see you over there. But right now, I'm going to break this down for you. So 40-inch diameter griddle pan. So it's probably a good 16 to 18 inches across. I'll put a link in the description for these items, and you can look at it for yourself. If I use my induction burner, I can really dial in a precision degree temperature, and I would just set it on there like that and fire it up, and that right there would allow me to heat this pan up on this single burner on the boat here, use electricity from the marina or my solar system and the inverter. I could just use it out on the water with this, but I found an easier method, and that was this. This is the butane camping stove. So it has a single burner, stores in a case. I can turn that over, it's compact. I can use that right there with this pan. So look at this. It takes a butane bottle, and it has a switch here that engages the butane bottle, and when you turn the unit off and the flame dies down, it disengages the bottle. The bottle just sits in this compartment right here. It's very easy. Right there, I don't have to screw it in. I don't have something hanging on the side. But this thing heats up really quick, just like the induction. And I get that on there, and that's what we're doing in this video. We're going to put our food. We're going to put our seafood and some meats and some shrimp, and we're going to put it all on there and sit at the table and cook our food at the table while we talk about what's going on over here on SV Xanadu.
Hi.
Hey, here we are. We're going live tonight from the boat. Cyndi, we got a nice spread here. We've got this new hibachi we wanted to show you guys. We're going to be doing this on our open house.
Yeah.
Right? We're getting ready for open house. We did another round of cleaning in the galley, and I think we've got 3/4 of the boat done now.
At the inside.
On the inside. Right? So we're getting prepared for all of our sailing friends to come over to open house.
Yep.
And we'll send those emails out if you're signed up, and you'll get the dates and all that when we have it ready. But
if you're not signed up, hi.
We're back again.
Third time's a charm.
Now, hopefully this connection will stay put.
Okay.
We've got this ribeye. Oh, so we've got our new hibachi.
Yes.
Right, we're going to fire this grill up and put this ribeye, cod, ahi, portobellas, and shrimp.
But, look, it's not your normal shrimp. Because we don't do things normally. It's a full
It's the
shrimp.
head-on, full tiger shrimp.
Yeah.
Like, we're just going to throw it on there.
Yes.
Like the sailors we are. Right? All right. This is new. You got to use this where you got to have if you're using it in a camper or outdoors, or you got to have ventilation.
Have your stuff
Because
open.
it's a fire.
We have the hatches open, so we have plenty of space.
Right, so let's fire this up. We're all good. Lock it in place. Pick it up. There it is.
We have fire.
All right. Apparently we can't go live tonight. Everybody's on Facebook. That's right.
We just have we have connection issues. So
we have connection
It happens
issues.
when it happens. We're not on land.
Right. So we're heating this grill up, right? We've got it on.
Yes. Sprayed it down with oil.
We got the oil to work finally. We're having technical, mechanical difficulties, but we've got this ribeye and cod, ahi, mushrooms and shrimp.
We're ready.
All
We're
right.
gonna cook.
Is it ready? Do we try it? Oh, I hear some sizzle. Okay.
We got some sizzling.
All
it's warming up. Yep.
Just gonna throw that ribeye out there.
Yes.
See that heats up real quick.
Yeah, it does.
Throw some cod. Get that out there.
Some
ahi. This is how we do it on the sailboat, right here. And those mushrooms, those portobellos, spread them out. But yeah, we wanted to do that. We're trying this out. We went live here because we wanted. All right, go to sailingintronirvana.com. Sign up if you're local and you want to meet us at the open house. We're going to do the hibachi there. Of course, Facebook is going to knock us off once again, but thank you for tuning in to our live. Yeah, I got my tangerine vodka martini here.
I have a coconut rum martini with a blackberry.
Yeah, we've got the blackberries in there. That's our dessert for later. But check it out. Get some lemon on that.
So
that's so simple and tastes great.
So we've been doing cleaning. So we had the
yeah, we spent the whole day cleaning the galley and going through the cupboards and taking out the old, reorganizing, getting ready.
Cleaning the ceiling, and yeah, pretty much is what we did today. And to get ready to sell, and now we celebrate with beautiful food.
That's right. You gotta wait to get break those up. They're kind of like a lobster, like miniature lobsters.
Okay.
You break the tail off, peel it like normal.
Gotta wait for it to cool off.
Let it cool off because you gotta use your fingers. But yeah, we could, go up to a Mongolian. What is it, Genghis? Mongolian grill.
I've never been there.
Yeah, and they just load you up just like this. We're doing that on the boat.
Yes. Why not?
So I went down and got this grill pan. It's about 16 inches wide. It's a pretty big pan. You can fit a lot on there.
Yeah.
You could probably get 4 people's worth of food on there at once. Cooks really fast. But the main thing is if you go to Asia, it's like Asian street walk food. Now I do the walk too, and they get real fast at cooking at the walk.
Yeah, they do. And they do real cool. Like they flip stuff everywhere and all that.
So this is like hibachi, but we cut it all, prepped it all. And then cut it and put it on here and put the coconut aminos and the sauce and the oil, the seasonings, put some lemon on it. And I mean, that's pretty.
That's good.
That's pretty simple right there, but that tastes great. It was perfect because it wasn't all that prep. It was just like, cut that up, put it over here. Because we've been working all day.
Well, you've been working all day.
Well,
he did
my
a whole
first
lot.
mate
He did a whole lot more work
does
than
a
me.
lot to help out in the background. So I can knock some stuff out. But, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, I have the pan and the grill. Check the link in the description because you can go to my affiliate link on Amazon and see what we've got. See how the price compares to others.
What you're doing.
But, the one I have here I think is the best bang for the buck because it's the biggest for the price.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Oh, is it time?
I don't know.
Are these still hot? Okay. So you just break the heads off like it's crawfish. It's still kind of hot.
It is a little bit hot.
Just break it off and you take those feet off like it's crawfish.
We're using this to fish.
And we'll use that to fish later.
Are you eating this part? Did I break it off too high?
I don't know. You be the judge of that.
Well, I don't know. It's dark.
It's like miniature lobsters. Now,
Do I want dark?
you start at the bottom here where the tails are because otherwise you have to cut it with scissors and peel it back. These only took 8 minutes to cook?
They did not take long.
Yeah, that's what I like about the hibachi.
They did not take long.
Okay, I got that one off. There it is. Look at that shrimp. That was really ready to go right there.
Oh, that was part of the shell.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, what is that dark? I don't want it. Here we go. We're getting there. I'm going to devein a little bit.
Yeah, you can devein it with
I'm
your
going
knife.
to devein it a little bit.
Cut it.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, you just kind of, there you go, like you're butterflying it.
Yeah.
You want to hold it like this. See where you're like splitting it in half?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If there's any left.
Devein it a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there it is. All right.
That's good. Guess what we found today?
Oh yeah, the bird. We have a stowaway in the mast.
Well, we saw it, what, 2 weekends ago, or...
Oh yeah.
And it went up into the mast, you know, in the cell pack, and we were like, is he just hiding or looking for spiders or insects, or does he have something up there, or she, he or she? We saw it come in with a worm and go straight up into the same spot twice, and we're like, that doesn't happen. They just don't do that unless there's something there.
Yeah, they're coming back and they go to the same spot. They've got to be building a nest.
Well, yeah, bringing food to it.
Yeah.
So we might have to watch some little wren birds be born before we can shake down the sail.
Well, we've still got to do the garage and the cockpit.
We have
so we
plenty.
got a couple more
We have
weekends
plenty.
of cleaning for sure. So they can, that's another,
They can take their time.
yeah, those little eggs don't take a long time to hatch. And then
I think it said like 2 weeks or
Yeah.
10 days or something like that.
we're not in a hurry.
But we haven't had that before, so that's new.
Right, I'm hoping
Which is
that
kind of cool.
I'm hoping that they'll scare away the yellow jackets and the wasps.
Me too.
Trying to make a nest in there.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah, it sucked. We were trying to go on Facebook Live to do that, but we caught it here for you because we didn't trust it. We thought,
Yeah.
I need a backup plan.
Always have a
All
backup.
right, so cheers on that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Cheers on the backup.
Mm-hmm.
The mushrooms are great.
This is the way to go. You just throw that out, and when you're done, you just bag it up, put it back in the fridge, break it back out. The hibachi, that was so quick. Like, I worked in the galley.
Mm-hmm.
You helped me. We went through everything. You know, we have to do a spring cleaning and get everything sanitized and take out the old. You know, like, oh, I haven't used this in a year. That's gone.
Inspect
Make
everything.
plates, inspect the boat, clean all the mold with some hot. I use the sodium hypochlorite. You know, I'll put the link in the description for that. But I think it smells better. It does. It's a stronger formula. So we put it in the spray bottle and use it, but it's not overpowering. So,
But if you're not keen with like strong smells, you can always just make sure you open up your windows.
right, we open it up, get ventilation, and do that. But we did all that, and we didn't have time to cook and make these. If you've ever seen these elaborate meals we do, so I'm like, get the hibachi out, put it over here. It takes about exactly 8 minutes to cook a ribeye, cod, ahi, and mushroom, and shrimp.
It's a really fun way to have dinner. It's a very unique way to have dinner. Be a good date night, you know, if you just want to sit down and have a date. Or your kids. So your kids would probably enjoy picking something just straight off
Oh,
of that
yeah,
heat,
they would
you
love
know?
that. You just give them a chopstick, toothpick, say, get your stuff off here.
It's not something you see often, and so I'm glad you bought that. Goodbye.
Yeah, we didn't have much time, so we wanted to just get it going. We're trying to get ready for our sailing season, get the boat prepped and clean. So we're about 3/4 of the way done on the inside.
Right.
Whew.
It was really nice last weekend, and we kind of took off. We didn't do a whole lot last weekend. We made it a rest weekend. We
worked for 6 hours straight, and then had to take a day of rest.
And so we did. We rested. It was good. We needed it.
Right.
And
So
then it got cold.
then we have another cold
It's been
snap.
like in the 80s and 90s, and then
We're back down to the 50s.
and rain. It's rained it rained starting at last
We
night.
had nice thunderstorms at night.
It rained
and
off for like 12
the
hours.
Butane don't come a knocking.
That's right.
So
Right.
yeah, but
so it's cooler. So
then
then it's yeah.
then it died down, and then we had clear skies, whatever, a little bit after noon. Opened it up, start cleaning, and here we are.
And I'm gonna be mad if that's not the last one.
We might have.
That should be the last cold
Yeah,
front.
the spring is very unpredictable, as everyone who sails knows, because as soon as you make a plan, it changes, or the storm delays, and now you have to change your weather window. You have to change all that. You can't go when you decided to go.
Wow.
So, you know, if you had to bring a bunch of provisions on board and get all your stuff ready, you got to wait a day. Plans change. If you're going out camping and doing all that, you probably know exactly how the spring weather is. Here in Texas, that the line forms directly over us from the northern wind, southern air, and the line literally creates storms over our head. The weatherman should be fired in the spring, because they never going to happen.
They try. They do.
The computer model done.
They do. Excuse me. They do try. They do the best they can, I think.
Let AI try to predict the weather. Let's see what happens.
Ooh, we should try that.
They've already been doing it for years.
Oh.
And they still have a job. But if I was wrong every day in the spring, I wouldn't have a job. Now would I?
You wouldn't have a boat.
There's that. But yeah, so, you know what? We're going to do another round on this hibachi.
Yeah.
We're going to make another martini. And we appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching Sailing into Nirvana.
I hate so much faster. And then it comes in and we're like, we got it going. Facebook keeps cutting us out. And they're like, damn.